Hi y'all! How you doing today? Having a good one? I hope so. I hope you and yours are healthy and happy and doing well. And if you're struggling a little bit today, here's sending you out some love and some good positive energy to pick yourself up and to have a better rest of your day. Today, we're going to be opening our last two boxes of the Sarkar Homestead shower box and the self-care box. And you know that I'm paring down a little bit on my boxes, so I've really enjoyed these two boxes. I've only gotten them a couple of times, and they've been great products, nothing wrong with them. It's a great box. I would encourage people to get it. Just doesn't really fit what we're doing for our channel quite as much. And as you know, she actually inspired me to make my own shower bombs or shower fizzes, or there's a bunch of different names for them, and bath bombs that I made, and they turned out amazing. So without further ado, let's go ahead. I'm not going to do a review on last month's box since this is the last box. And let's look at what we have in here and compare these two boxes in case you're trying to decide whether or not you want the shower box or the bath box. So let's see. I'm not sure which one. Oh, yep, shower box. Let's start with the shower box since it's the least expensive of the two. And let me get you the information. The shower box is $27.97 a month, and the self-care box is $47.97 a month. And I'll put the information down in the video description below. So let's go ahead with the shower box. And she does such a great job. She really does. So when you open it up, that's what you've got. When you open it, it's just all packed all up in the squigglies, and everything is down in the box below. So in the shower box, there's not as much in this box because it is a cheaper box. And this month it looks like we have Golden Rose shower steamers. There's the shower steamers there. Really pretty. So you can see their little flowers. And it says place in a shower where the steamer will get wet but out of the direct stream of water. Take shower as normal and enjoy the scent. And so these just sit on the bottom of your shower where they're getting sprinkled a little bit to activate them, and that's what releases all the essential oils. Golden Rose. Let's see, I'll smell them. Oh, yum. Oh, beautiful rose scent. Oh, I'm excited to use those. Those are beautiful. And this is a packet. It's 8 ounces. There's 3, 6, 9, 10 of them in the packet. So that's 10 showers for the month. And then it has one other little item. Oh, 2 other little items. Nice. So then we have a little rose petal soap. And I will take it out. It says ingredients: coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, glycerin, goat's milk, purified water, sodium hydroxide, sorbitol, sorbiton oleate, oat protein, titanium dioxide, fragrance, and a mica. The mica is for the coloring. It's what they use to color a lot of candles and soaps and bath bombs. Oh, that's gorgeous. That almost looks like handcrafted. Look at that. I don't think you can do a mold like that. I don't know how she did that, but that is gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, it almost looks like she hand did those. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Oh, and it smells heavenly. Oh, that is so pretty. Like, I don't know if I want to use it. That is gorgeous. See what I mean? I mean, this really is a good box. I just feel like there are other boxes that meet our channel needs, and so, you know, that kind of thing. And then the third item in here, this says Cocoa Lip Scrub. Ingredients: sugar, coconut oil, cocoa butter, almond oil, cocoa powder. To use, take a small dab on your finger and rub in circles on your lips and then rinse. And I love lip scrubs because they get rid of all the little, dry pieces that you have. Yum, yum, yum. Chocolate. And so it's just a really nice sugar scrub for your lips. That's a nice box. So in the shower box, we got 3 items. We got the lip scrub, the rose soap, and then the golden rose shower steamers. Very nice box. And for the about $27.97, about $30, I think it's worth the price. They're all handmade, so you've got to look at that and all the time that she puts into it. So this is the self-care box, and the self-care box was more expensive. The self-care box is the $47.97, so about $50 a month. And it's usually jam-packed with stuff. Now you notice the box was damaged on the way, so hopefully nothing inside it is damaged. A little sticker. And then again, everything inside there. So, let's see what we have here. Okay, so it looks like we got another one of the cocoa lip scrubs, which is nice. That was beautiful. And I love that it's in a little heart plastic container. It smells so good. And then we got a bath bomb, a big heart, chocolate strawberry. It's a big heart, bath bomb. Smells just like a chocolate covered strawberry. Oh, that's going to be yummy. I'm excited to use it. Then we got another bath bomb. This is a rose petal bath bomb. Oh, and her rose smells heavenly. And rose is one of the more expensive oils. So these bath bombs are, going to have a little bit more money in them. Then it looks like we got another one of the rose petal soaps, which was absolutely gorgeous, and I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to give it as a gift because that is beautiful. And bath melts, cocoa bath melts. Interesting. Don't think I've seen that. Cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter. Fill tub with warm water, throw 1 to 2 melts in and enjoy. Caution, tub may be slippery. And they're cocoa. So I may pass those on to my daughter. I'm not a huge chocolate person. It smells good. I don't know. I may try it and keep them, especially since I'm not getting the box anymore. Kind of hoard them for a little while and have some nice use for myself. And the last thing in the box is a rose petal bath salt. Nice. Nice. I think she does a really good job with this stuff. Epsom salt, sea salt, and fragrance. Fill tub in warm water. Place desired amount of salt as it's filling. Let's see, I'll smell it. Oh, yum. Oh, that smells so good. I love rose. I love rose and jasmine. Those are probably 2 of my favorite. Honeysuckle too. I really like honeysuckle, but I don't get much of it for some reason. So in the self-care box this month, we got the bath melts, the cocoa bath melts, and there was 2 ounces in there, so 3, 6, about 10 bath melts in there. We got the bath salt. We got the rose soap and the rose petal bath bomb and the big heart strawberry chocolate bath bomb, as well as the cocoa lip scrub. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in there. Nice box. So, like I said, I do give this box 2 thumbs up. I think that the Sarkar Homestead does a wonderful job. She puts lots of time into these products, and I do think the box is worth the price. So if it's something that's your thing and you love taking baths and want to have something coming every month, I would recommend this box. It just doesn't meet our channel criteria quite as much, and so this will be the last month that I'll be getting it. But I have enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed watching me open it. Please remember to give that video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.